Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have implemented the scenario. So I'll try to explain what exactly I'm going to explain. So basically I have one table. So that is product table. Here we can see that so region, product ID, sold date and max date. Here also we can see that region, product ID, sold date and min date. So the requirement is I want to find each region wise under the product ID, under the sold date, what is the max date. Okay, under the region, so many products are there and there are different sold dates are there, but as for my requirement I want to find the what is the max date under the each region wise. If you look at here under the Canada, there are different products A, B, C, D under different sold date. Here out of all these so product sales, so what is the max sale date? So now you can see that so 3 to 2020. Same thing like for the France also. Here we can see that so 2/12/2018 under the UK. So likewise we are finding the what is the max date for the each region wise under the different products and different sold date. Here also I'm trying to find the minimum date. So each region wise what is the minimum date. Even we have the slicer, we can select if you want. For example, Canada means it will display the Canada, and France means UK, whatever it is. So first we'll try to understand what kind of expression I have written to get this. So go to demo measures, max date. So try to zoom it so that we can see clear. So now this is the simple expression only. So I have used the max x function. So I'm just ignoring all the filters by using all selected. Again I'm trying to so restore the filter context under the each region wise. Okay, here by using all selected function I'm trying to ignore all the filters from this current filter context. Again by using values function I'm trying to restore the filter context for the region wise. Okay, for this getting the max date. When it comes to min date, same thing. So only one difference, that is so there I have used the max x, here min x. So that is the only difference. Remaining entire code is same only. Likewise we can find the max date and minimum date, so for the each region wise under the different products under different sales dates. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. So feel free to ask any questions if you have. So even you can look for, if anyone looking for the online training like a DAX course or a SQL Server development, MSBI or Power BI. So interested people, you can send me an email to this email ID. So that's all. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.